This video follows on from last week's video. That showed the very poor state of road surface on Bolton Ave, Huncoat, Lancashire. After talking to some of the people that I met there previously, they highlighted an issue in Bolton Ave, and that is due to the weight of the heavy vehicles using the road surface to access the business park and other areas has led to the subsurface subsiding. This subsiding has led to the main telephone ducting in Brown Avenue to collapse, thus cutting off the telephone access to the majority of Brown Birks Avenue. The duct had to be installed and new telephones laid by BT Openreach. The lack of telephone service for nearly a week caused issues for residents living there, as they had not been able to use their alarms to somehow interfere with medical and other emergencies. The Lancashire County Council still say this road is fit for purpose, but clearly isn't, but the trouble is that it's been used for heavy vehicles, and the road is just not fit for it. This road, originally built, was a contract, and I think the tarmac is put on top of the fields.